My last video, I was explaining about Microsoft Team, how to create teams, channels, and how to create multiple user by using PowerShell command with the help of CSV files. Today, I am going to show you how to create multiple teams and multiple channels by using PowerShell script. In my last video, we were create all these channels and teams manually. We entered all the data manually. It is a hectic job if you are doing by manually. So today I am going to use PowerShell to create. It will be easy for you. If you have a lot of users, a lot of channels, if you have a lot of teams to create, this will help you a lot. Okay. So first I would like to explain about your PowerShell script. First thing first, what you have to do is you have to check your Microsoft Team module inside the PowerShell window. Microsoft Teams version 1.0.18 or higher will support to create private channels. If you want to create normal standard channel, you should not worry about the version. But if you are trying to create private channel, you have to upgrade your Microsoft Teams module inside the PowerShell window. So it should be either 1.0.18 or higher. So when I check my channel, it was 1.0.6. When I checked my Microsoft Teams inside the PowerShell, it was 1.0.6. Then I did all these things. After that, I got it 1.0.21. All right. So first check your version. For checking your version, what you have to do, you have to connect to Microsoft Teams first. So run your PowerShell like this, run as administrator. Yes. Then connect your Microsoft team. Use your credential. So this my credential I am using. Use your credential and enter your secret password. Enter. Then I had to run this command to get the version of your Microsoft team. So first thing, so currently see my version is 1.0.22. So I am good to go. I can create private channels. Check your version. If your version is below 1.0.18, you have to do all these things which I recorded in the notepad. So I am assuming that you have below version of 1.0.18. So what should you do? Follow the below step with me. So I'm already done, so I cannot go back. So anyway, I'm going to show how much I possible I can, but there's not, it will be available in this YouTube session. You can take and use it. So first thing, we have to uninstall. If your version is below 1.0.18, follow the steps. Otherwise, you can skip these sessions. I hope you have a lower version. So let me go by one. You have to close all the PowerShell section now. That is the first thing you have to do. So I am going to exit and start a new instance. So I started again. And the second thing is uninstall module dash name Microsoft Teams. You have to uninstall your module. I am going to uninstall module Microsoft Teams. Enter. It will take a while. Meanwhile, I will go to the second command. Then after completion of uninstalling, you have to close your sessions and you have to start a new session and you have to run this command. It is taking the Microsoft new module from this particular source. It's from Microsoft only. They have a PowerShell repository over there. You can register from here. So I'm going to copy this command. Yeah, hope my uninstallation is completed. So I'm going to exit again. So I don't have any more Microsoft Teams now. So I am going to start a new session. Yes. Okay. I'm going to enter this. Register PowerShell repository from the new source. I'm going to enter. Of course, I am going to get an error because I am already done. This already registered in my PC. So the trusted source is registered. It already there. So in your case, it will be successfully done. Then you have to run the second command. I'm so ignoring this because I am already have this registered in my computer, so I cannot remove it. So if I want to remove, I had to do so many things in the registry cleaning. I'm not going to do that. So let me go to the second one. So after completion of this registration, then I am going to install the new module of Microsoft Teams. Okay. All right. The second command, install module name Microsoft Team repository PS gallery. See, this is the same gallery integer we already given. Okay. I'm going to enter it. So now it is installing a new version from the new source. You can see it's downloading first and installation, unzipping and installing. Then meanwhile, let me check what is the next one to speed up my things. So we already installed. And after that, we will go for get module name Microsoft Team. Let me check. Yes, it's already done. It's completed. So whether it is asking to run the following, verify the latest version. So again, we are going to check it out whether the version is installed. We had to check whether the version is correct or not. All right. Get module name Microsoft Teams. So before that, let me connect. I think I had to this step, connect to Microsoft Teams now. Then let me go to my credential again. Next. So my Microsoft is installed. That's why I'm getting this window, sign in window. You have to do the same. Then connect to Microsoft. Then again, I am going to run this command. Yeah, it's already logged in. Now I'm running this command again. So now I have 1.0.22. All right. So when you are doing fresh, you will not get this message, the first window, I mean, first command, register piece here repo. This you will not going to get. I'm getting because already I installed, then I uninstalled, again I installed to make this video. All right. So we are good to go. We have a supportable version of Microsoft Teams inside our PowerShell module. So we can close all the sessions now. Again, exit. All right. Now I have this version. Now let me go to new instant, run the following update. If you want to update, you already running this new version, you can update the module with the force. Okay, I'm going to do if I get a new version. Sorry, I'm going to run as administrator. One more time, let me select. Let me update by forcing. Let me see any updation is available. If it is available, you can do this. Okay. So I got something in between, some updation. I got it. It's always a good idea, even if you have a new version, it's better to get new module, updated module from the trusted source. I'm going to exit again. Now run as administrator. Yes. Now I am going to connect again. Connect to Microsoft Teams. All right. Okay. Sign in. Next. All right. Now go to version check. We can check the version again. Let me see if I get some in new version. All right. I'm already connected. I'm on same version. Okay. So in this note, we learned how to uninstall your current version and how to install your new version. And if you have a new version, how to update recent updates for the new version also. There is two sessions. One is for fresh installation, another one is to update. Okay, so we are good to go. Now our PowerShell is ready to fire the new script to create private channels and teams. Here you go. Now I am going to show you the script. This is my script, how to create channels and users and a team. This is the script. I will explain to you shortly. First thing first, first we need a CSV file which I already created, auxilinsc.csv. I'm going to open it for you. You have to create similar one. Here, team's name. The header is team's name. For example, I'm going to create Oxy Team 1. It will be a public team, and the channel name is Oxy Channel 1A, and one more channel I am going to create, Oxy Channel dash 1 dash B. And these are my colleagues, those who are working with me. And I am creating two owners. I want to show you multiple owners. That's why I'm not keeping single owner. I kept two people. One is myself, one is one of my colleague, and these other two colleagues I put them as members. There is two people. Each user you should be separated by semicolon. You can see here. This is the standard format of CSV file for PowerShells. Second team is Oxy Team 2. Okay, I will make the standard format. Mat 2. Okay, Team 1, Team 2, and channel 2A, channel 2B. You can separate with the semicolon as well. So I make a small change. So I'm going to save this. Yes, this file also I will I will give the link to download it. All right, close it. I don't want to save this format. I just want to say the data only. Then my CSV file is ready. Now the script. This is the script. The first portion is starting from down. This is the first command which is going to create a new team. Create a new team is the command, and import the path. You have to take the path of the CSV file is residing. My CSV file is inside my desktop. This is my desktop. And here it is. This is the place. So my path will be like this. So I had to take this path, paste it here. It's a long path, so I want to make it small. It will make you confusion. So I am taking out this CSV file, copy and make another folder. That folder I made for that video tutorial. So I made a small one and oxygen. Okay, good. So now my CSV file will be inside this folder. So the path will be easy for you to remember, or let me change this path now. So it will be more user-friendly path. Okay, here you go. Now this is my path of the CSV and this is my CSV file name. So save this. Okay. It is asking to create a team on the basis of the CSV file. So this command will call this function, create new team. See, create new team. So when it is calling this function, it is importing the path and processing the so and so things. See how what it's doing first. It's import the module of Microsoft Teams. What are it's going to import? It is first it will get the credential, your username and password. You have to log in into it. Then it will import the CSV file from the Excel sheet into the team variable. From the team variable, it will take all the data from the CSV file and it will create the channels, it will create the users inside the channels and teams. First, it will create the team first. This is the first line. I skipped the first line, so we'll go one by one on a sequence. It will create the team first. This is the command which is calling for creating a new team, and this is most important value edu class. I am working for school environment, so we have educational licenses, so we are creating educational classes, I mean educational license version. That's why we are creating classes according to our license. So our team will be there is a, if you are creating manually the team, you can see the categories of teams. So we are selecting the category of classes. That's why in this template I'm giving this variable classes. Usually you can create another type over here. See, I change the visibility team type to visibility template. This I change this variable parameter to this variable parameter because my environment is different. If you have your own environment, the visibility team you can select over here, change it according to your needs. For example, if I open this CSV file, see the team type is public. So here it will take from this CSV values from here. Here, what I'm suggesting to my team, I am suggesting to create on class basis. So I am not going to worried about this field. I am ignoring this field actually, in fact, but as a prototype, we have to keep this same format of this CSV. All right, so you got the point. So here only I make the one change for making is a type of class for my team. After creating the team, it will create the channels inside the team, create the channels. And after that, it will add users and add members into the team and the channels. These two lines are for that only. When it's successful, it will show you we successfully completed. Before that, we were going to do the original triggering of PowerShell, I would like to show you one more thing. When this command will call create channel, see the function is over here, create channel. When it is calling this function from here, the computer will automatically go to this function and it check the channel name and the group ID of the team and what's the current user. The current user will be the owner of the channel. So here it's creating the new channel and membership type. This is the most important. Membership type is private. When it is creating a channel, it will be the private. For this, making this option available, we upgrade the Microsoft version inside the PowerShell module. All right. So the current user will be the owner of the channel. This is the function of creating a channel. The next one, when is adding the user, it will call this second function, add users. How many users? If you have 10 user, this for loop. If you have some knowledge of programming, you know the loops. It will take how many users are available in the CSV file, and it will read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 until the data will get end. So it will create all the users under the team as well as under the channels. All right. So this is the explanation of this script. You should not close your eyes and fire the script. You can have some little knowledge what it is exactly doing, and most of the things are in English language only, so you can understand what exactly it's doing. Try and catch is the error catching method. In it's all program language have the same features. In something, if something go wrong, it will catch. It will try will catch the error and go to the catch section. All right. So it will ignore. Otherwise, it will crash the PowerShell command. Maybe your system will get hang. So avoiding that, they are using try and catch module inside the coding. All right. So let me check my CSV file one more time. So we good to go. Oxy team 1, 2, team type. I don't worried about this one. So channel is 1A, 2A, 1B, 2B, and same owners, same members. Okay. Now let me open my portal, Teams, teams.microsoft.com. I would like to show you whether these channels and teams members are available or not. All right. So I'm going to filter anything, a lot of teams like Oxy, any name Oxy. There is nothing. We didn't find any matches, so there is nothing called Oxy. Starting with, there is no team. If you scroll down all the way, yeah, there is nothing. Okay, I'm going to minimize this window, and I'm going to minimize this also. PowerShell. Okay, I'm going to copy. I think our path is correct. Let me check. Let me copy this path and run. Let me copy this. Sorry for that. Copy this path. Go to run. I want to make sure that it is running the right file. Yes, it is perfect. Path is perfect. Now I'm going to copy all the bottom to the top. I press Control C, minimize it, Control V, or right click. So all the script are inside our PowerShell now. So let us check. Let me check whether it is correct. All the functions are available. Yeah, create channel function is available. Then after that, add user is available. Then create new team is available. Then the path. So I'm going to press enter key. So it is asking, the first command is get credential. You can see get credentials. So my credential I'm going to paste it and let me open quick access credential file. All right, let me, it's a big one. I don't want to type again. So, all right, credentials, enter the credential. Yeah, credential is fine. I logged in my username, password, and my domain. Now it's running the other commands. Most probably it will show you what is running because there is a right host command is here. It will show what exactly is doing right now. Let us wait for a couple of seconds. I'll make a bit, little bit viewable for you. All right. And now I have more visibility now. Hopefully it will work fine. I'm not going to pause my video, then you will think I did something tricky. So let it be. Be patient. It's depending on the internet connection speed and the usage of your own domain. My domain is using too many people right now, so it will take a while. Meanwhile, I will show you my channel, so you can go to you can go to this my first video. After making this video, I will upload over here. You will get the second video. This is the one. I will add the link under this YouTube video. All right. So go for this one first. Then you will get how to add members into the channels. Yeah, here we go. You can see start creating the team. Our first team was Oxy-team-1. So we are going well, doing well. See, now it's creating channels. The team is created and inside the team is creating the channel. Yes, the channels also created. Its membership type is, wow, very fast. The second channel also created, adding team members. Channel 1A, 1B, completed creating team. So first team is created now. Now it is going to create the second one. So what was the name? Oh yeah, Oxy team dash 2 is the second team. So I am suggesting create 10 or please do not create more than 10 teams, or yeah, inside 10 team you can have channels, 5 6 channels, so it's 60 50 channels. That's fine. Other will be, it will take long time. If your internet is stable, it's fine. If you have a unstable internet, in while you are making CSV file, I'm suggesting make a maximum 10 teams and inside maybe 5 6 channels, so total will be below 60, maximum 100. That is fine. If you have good connection, go for 500 600. It's not a problem. See, the time is taking a little bit. So, mm, what to do next? Let me pause my video or shall we continue? Anyway, I'm not going to pause it. Let the video a little longer, doesn't matter. Yes, here we go. Start creating team Oxy-team 2. Fantastic. Good. And that means our PowerShell script is working fine. No issues till now. Till now, there is no issue. Membership type private. Good. Adding the members. I have 2 members and 2 owners. All right. Team members. Now team owners. Yes, it's completed and we got normal window over here. We can run another script if you want. That means this one is done, completed. Let's cross check. I'm going to the back to the same. I'm going to refresh my team. Okay, it's refreshing. And now I am going to click on filter, type Oxy, press enter. Here you go. You got all the channels. All right. So it is there. Close it. Go down. Most it will be, it is here. So let me click over here, manage team. So I have 2 owners and 2 members. See, perfect. Rajesh, Mustafa, and it's me and Parvez. So both are here. Perfect. And go to the channel. It's a private channel. You can see the log button. So go to manage channel. You can see only one owner. You can add more owners. And members, for adding members, I have a PowerShell script in my previous video. Go and watch it. You can add as much members you can into the channels as well as into the team. You can add it. So we are done. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video. All right. Take care. Bye bye.